Hello, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. If unboxing videos are your thing, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. I would love to have you stick around and watch future videos of mine. Today, we're going to be unboxing Not So Ordinary Workshops. This subscription box is unique to my channel and just unique to me in general. It is a crafting subscription box, and that in and of itself is not unique. There are lots of different crafting type subscription boxes out there. However, this one is like crafting with life coaching involved. If that interests you, stick around for the unboxing. Let's go over the details of the Not So Ordinary. It is $50 per quarter and everything that you need comes in this box. Now, you can feel free to add anything you want when you're crafting. You don't have to just stick to what comes in the box. Crafting is about being open and being free and kind of doing your thing. So you follow the instructions, but then if something doesn't feel right, you change it and you ad-lib. And this isn't just ordinary crafting, it's crafting with a purpose. It also comes with video guidance from a life coach. That's where the crafting with a purpose comes in. You also get life coach like tips and tricks. So this box was sent to me to review for you guys, and let me tell you, when she sent me the email with the videos, there were 6 of them. I was overwhelmed because in my mind I'm thinking these videos are going to be 15-20 minutes long and I'm gonna have to sit here and it's gonna drag on, it's gonna be boring. I don't have time for this. But let me tell you, boy howdy, I was wrong, and we will get into those videos in just a moment. Like I said, this is $50 a month, and at first I was like, is it worth it? But you're not just paying for the crafting supplies, you're also paying for the life coaching aspect of it, and I think that has so much value to it that it just brings up the cost and the value of the box so much. So let's pop this box on open. And everything is neatly inside. So we have a notebook that has a ton of stuff in it and paper confetti everywhere. Oh my goodness, but it's so stinking cute. Okay. Now each box is curated and kind of has its own little theme to it. So the box that you receive might not be the same box that I receive. They're all just going to be slightly different. This box comes with a notebook, and the pictures on this notebook, it's very gardeny, outdoorsy. There's some bunnies and birds and flowers and a very fat, awkward looking horse. I think that's what he is. I mean, it looks like a horse to me, or a donkey or mule, but he's very fat. Super cute. I love this kind of very cartoony, looks like water painted type of a theme. So we have 4 writing utensils. It looks like 2 pens and 2 markers. So let's get a closer look at these. This first pen has a little, it keeps swinging around, a little charm on the top of it, and it's like this pink, pale pink 4-leaf clover charm, and it does come off, so you can take it off and put it on something else if you would rather have it on something else. Let's test this out on our notebook. The lighting is really washing the notebook out and then turning me orange. So, interesting. Okay, so it was not writing, and I was thoroughly confused, but apparently it has this rubber cap on it to, I guess, keep it from being dried out. Let's try round 2. Oh, there we go. Ooh. Okay. It's a very smooth flowing pen. At first it did not want to write, but then eventually it did start writing. The next pen we have in here has a cat charm with like 3 little stars on it. Let's test this pen out. It is also just another black pen, so there's no difference between the colors of the pens. Next we have 2 markers. These are metallic markers. One looks very like a rose pink, and then this one looks like a coppery type of a brown color. So let's test out the pink one first. And that is the color. It is looking darker on camera than it is in reality. Now let's try the copper one. And this one looks actually more orange on the paper than coppery. On this type of paper, the metallic kind of fades into it and they're not as metallic-y, but I think on like maybe a black paper or on something coming up later that the metallic will shine a little bit more, or something that maybe isn't so porous. Your more artsy type paper that has a coating over it, it might show the metallic finish a little bit better than just standard writing paper. Next in our box we have these 5 cardboard decorations, frames, what have you. These 3 kind of look more like frames. I don't know. These ones look more like ornaments to me. That is what they look like, and they have a little hole in the top. But they're just for writing on. And then we have this shaped. This one. This one has like almost like stitching across it. My camera's not going to show you, but right along the edge there's like stitching. So far this one and then this shape here, these are my 2 favorite shapes. We also have different types of paper that I am dropping all over the place. We have a big one and looks like it's been burnt and ripped. There's 3 of them that are this size. These 3 are identical in the shape and size. They kind of just look like weathered paper, almost like a marbled colored look to them. And same with this one. It's just like a really worn marbled look, but it's more graphics. They're all along the same theme of being like torn and burnt or worn out, just slightly different. Then we have some adhesive stickers. I don't know what to call these. Are they like vellum? I think they're stickers, just like large stickers. You could use these to write on, or you could use them for like accents around your craft, which I will talk about them in a little bit. But we have this one. It's different flowers. And then another one looks like the same pattern, just a little bit bigger. And this one here, that's winged shapes. And then these stickers have captured my heart. They're similar to the notebook in the watercolored themed, and they are paper stickers. So the front of them, they're very matte and feel like a transfer paper type of thing. This butterfly, y'all, is gorgeous. Then we have a little circle with flowers on it. My camera's not focusing. Okay, then we have a little circle with flowers on it. The next one is also gorgeous. Look how beautiful that is. And then lastly, we have some trees. Oh wait, not lastly. We have a rose one. I forgot about this one. These types of stickers are one of my favorite stickers to do scrapbooking with, or I don't really scrapbook. I don't know why I said scrapbooking, but Bible journaling or just craft projects. they're just, like, yeah, sometimes I like your normal bold stickers, but there's something about these that are just like such a light wash of color, more subtle, and they're matte, so you can write on them if you want them to be more like a background to write on, or you can easily use them as accents, or just, you know, whatever you want. I love these stickers, so I'm happy that I got these in this box, which is still covered in confetti. And I'm going to have a huge confetti mess all over my room. Is this large board. You can use it this way at a diagonal, you can use it normal, however you want. Let's talk about what we're going to be making with this board, because you might be thoroughly confused. So we are going to be making a vision board, and video 1 is kind of the introduction of the craft. It talks about the vision board, and it talks about inspiration and what we're going to be, why we're creating this vision board. Now the videos, like I said, I was worried that there were going to be super long videos and it was going to take forever, but I think the longest is only 8 minutes. There's one that's like a minute, another one that's 4 minutes, so they're all very, very short. And so the first video is just an introduction. It's talking about the vision board and getting you excited about what your vision board is. Video number 2 is our first exercise. We're going to be using our notebook and our super duper cute pens that we got with our pretty charms as inspiration. No, we're using our pens to write in the notebook, and basically you make a list of things that you want on your vision board, things that are important to you, your goals, your dreams, your hopes in life. And so she tells you to set a timer, go for 5 minutes. This video is only really short, like she just introduces it, tells you kind of what to do, and then lets you have at it and do it on your own. And so she recommends 5 minutes. Sometimes that's too much, sometimes that's not enough if you have lots of ideas. And just write down in your notebook your visions, your ideas, your dreams, where you want your life to go, maybe what 2020 or 2021 means to you, where you want to be, you know, what you want to do. It can be serious, it could be silly. Video number 3 is our second exercise, and this one is a guided meditation. So I think this one is a little bit longer, comes in around 8 minutes, but still not long. And she just talks you through a guided meditation to help you get into like this mindset of goals and relaxing and just opening up and just chilling out. And I know some people don't like meditations, or you might feel self-conscious. That's kind of where I am. I would feel very self-conscious to do a meditation with somebody else in the room, even if it's family. It's something that I would want to do in private because I'm a private person. But that's who I am. Video number 4 is our third exercise, and we come back to our little notebook in this one. We go through our list, we analyze the list, and depending on how long your list is, it could take a few minutes, it could take a couple hours. It just depends on if how much you think about things and analyze it, and it all depends on your thought process, how many items you have on the list. This step definitely varies per person. The whole point of this step is to analyze each item and put a value and meaning behind it, and then explain to yourself, and just say what it means and why it's important to you. So you can write that down. You know, you can take each item and on a separate page write down what it means, or you can just speak it out loud depending on who you are as a person. And the goal of this exercise is to kind of narrow down like the top 5 values that you want, or goals that you want in your life, that you want for your vision board, and the meanings behind it. Video number 5, and this one is our 4th exercise. This is taking those top 5 values that you kind of narrowed down your list in the last one, and putting them on the board. However you want to assemble and decorate your vision board, she leaves that completely up to you. If you have more stickers or if you want to add paint to it, it's all up to you how you create your vision board. And then video number 6 is the wrap-up video of everything, and she does invite you to get a hold of her for life coaching, and I think that is awesome if that is something that you're looking for in life, looking to have that positivity. And I know like so much is going on in our world right now. Sometimes it's nice to have that extra, like an outside source on the overwhelming, and to kind of have a voice of reasoning or a calm in the storm where we can like, we're just so chaotic. It's nice to have somebody kind of like tell you to stop and walk you through steps, and so you can reason things out on your own. I love that she gives you the option to go to her for life coaching. That is what makes this box so fantastic, and I love this box. I hope you have enjoyed this video. It is a little bit of a longer video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!